All right, everybody. I am here. My name's Mike. I work for SecureWorks as a new little baby penetration tester. Super fun. I'm here to give kind of an overview of the Door Company challenge on the CTF and kind of how I went through it. So here we go. Challenge gives you a few different hosts. It says pick one. So we're just going to pick one of these here. And as we open it, we realize it's a standard Door Company page. So what I like to do first is, what does the page give me that I can naturally interact with? So I start clicking buttons and scrolling pages, and I quickly realize that this page does absolutely nothing. Like nothing. So progress from there and go to, all right, if I think the page isn't doing anything, we'll just easily inspect the source of the page. See some references, the style sheets for Bootstrap and jQuery, which are pretty standard for the styling of the page, but I also don't find anything. It's just a pretty standard blank page, so progress from there to, all right, what happens when I load the page? So if I go back, open up, just trying to keep things as easy as can with the browser dev tools here. Open up my little network tab, reload the page, and we get like the request response headers. I said maybe it's a CTF, maybe they snuck something cool in there, you never know. So as we scroll through these request response headers here, I'm scrolling down. There's an X powered by header that has a specific PHP version, which we're always keen to take specific versions and search them on the internet. And of course, the first three items may be polluted due to my previous searching, but our remote code executions for this very specific PHP version. So we click on one, check it out, give it a read. Yeah, remote code execution looks cool. Look at the code. I don't want to be like sending creds to somebody's home server or things like that. It looks cool. So I downloaded that, which we have over here. And as we run exploit.py, it's nice enough to give us some prompts, as you can see on the left. So we'll give it the URL of this Door Company website here. And kapow, shell on the web host or that web server box, super easy. It probably doesn't get any easier than that. Like there's other exploits that are pretty similar, but this one's easy. So I'm on the box. Where am I? I'm in a var www.html folder, and who am I are usually like the first two things you want to figure out before you got to figure out where you need to go or what you can escalate to. I can read files, and there's only, as I said, the one PHP index file. So I always like to start at root, list it out, see what you can get, and lo and behold, there's a flag.txt just sitting on the root. So there you go. The solution, a little bit of OSINT stuff for exploit code for the Door Company challenge. One note, I did go down kind of a rabbit hole with the, there's a jQuery exploit too, but it's for like prototype pollution, which would be handy if the page actually did anything, but in this case it just turned out to be not applicable to this target. So any questions? You wrote the whole thing in OpenAI, like you just told it. It's a pretty nice looking standard Bootstrap page. I should just have it write front ends for me from now on, because I'd have the spacing all messed up. Anything else? Super nice little easy one. Thanks, guys.